This is Evidence for Evolution with your host, Andrew Fong.
Evolution is a scientific fact. The evidence for evolution is everywhere. Evolution can be found in fossil records, in the geographical locations of species, in DNA, and in the phenotypes of organisms. Fossils give us a rich source of evidence for evolution. Fossils show the gradual change of species over time. For example, these ancient hominid skulls show the gradual change of skull shape. They show that we evolved from a much more primitive organism. Biogeography is the location of different species around the world. By studying the relative locations of different species from each other, we can determine when they split off. These different species of large cats came from different parts of Asia. They look different because they live in different environments, but they all probably arose from our common ancestor. DNA gives us the most precise information about the evolution of species. By studying differences in DNA, we can construct phylogenetic trees showing the relative relation between species. This shows that all species are related. The phenotypes of organisms, however, are the most abundant sources of evidence that all species are related. These animals all have horns or antlers, which are homologous structures, meaning they come from a common ancestor but look different. The similarities in the structures prove that they are all descended from a common ancestor. These skeletons come from animals that are not closely related. However, they all have hind legs that are specialized to jump, because they evolved in environments where it was advantageous to be able to jump. This is an example of analogous structures which are not related, but serve a similar purpose. Evolution, the source of all life. From these four treasure troves of evidence, you can see how evolution produces all the diverse forms of life on Earth.
Tune in next time for Evidence for Evolution. Politicians!